Hey, what's up, guys? It's Ryan from Tears, or Rusty from Tears. We got some new patches in. Uh, we got our little rat logo in. We got our rat logo in the middle with Tears on top and Tactical Eliminating Rushing Strike Force on the bottom. These are made from actual leather, handcrafted, and they have Velcro on the back. I got 5 here for sale. Then I got mine in the weapons or workshop. I got so yeah. Well, we got the new patches. If you want one, you can ask me about it, and we can figure out something. I figured out I'm gonna put my patches all along this wall because I think it looks pretty cool being above the workbench. So hope you guys like. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.